Do you have copper pans that look like this, but you want them to look like this? Well, today I'm going to show you the quickest and simplest way to remove the tarnish and restore your pans to their original shine. It takes less than a minute, and all you need is vinegar, salt, and a sponge. First, pour some vinegar on the sponge and rub it all over the copper. You don't need to measure it, just make sure all areas are damp. After that, sprinkle the salt generously. Wetting the pan first helps the salt stick, otherwise it will slide right off. Next, pour more vinegar over the salt. I'm pouring it straight from the bottle, but if you have a spray bottle, that works even better because it's less messy and it will distribute the vinegar more evenly. After just a few seconds, you'll see the color of the pan changing and looking a lot brighter in the spots where you poured the vinegar. Let the salt and vinegar sit on the pan for about 15 seconds. Next, give it a good scrub with your sponge. When you cook with copper, it reacts with oxygen, forming a layer of copper oxide on its surface. That's what makes it look dull and tarnished. This method works so well because the acid in the vinegar breaks down the oxidation and the salt acts as a mild abrasive to wash it all away. If you have burnt spots on your pan like I do, you may need to scrub them for a couple of minutes, but the discoloration from the oxidation will wash away in seconds. Here's the before, and here's the after. I've used this method on several pans and it works like a charm every single time. Give it a try and let me know how well it worked for you. If this was helpful, check out this video where I show you how to remove rainbow stains from stainless steel cookware in less than 10 seconds. And for more videos like this, click the logo to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.